Hello everyone, it's Monday the 28th of February and we are just sat on the boardwalk at South Sound, just sort of watching the world go by really, and it's just an excuse anyone else? No, it's just an excuse to get out the house and enjoy our last week here in the Caribbean, so yeah. Oh God! Someone just got scared by a crab.
Yeah, well, I mean, as you saw, I thought he would either move left or move right, or maybe like snip at the stick, not physically jump at the stick.
You're gonna do the jump forwards like you just did?
No.
Go on. Go on. So we have spent the early afternoon just having a swim down at Smith's Cove, or Smith's Barkadeer or something as they've changed the name.
Technically Smith's Cove.
Yeah, Smith's Cove. But it's getting a little bit busier now and we have got to go back and get ready for a nice dinner out at the smokehouse. So yeah. We went to the Cayman Parrot Sanctuary, so here is the footage from that.
Nothing for you. Very coarse. Oh, that's my
He
foot.
likes you.
You don't lick my foot.
Nice noises. Hi. You absolutely detest.
Thank you very much, guys. My pleasure. Have a good day. There's no poisonous snake in the island. They're all safe. Alert camera. If you see the tongue, that's the way it smells.
Yeah. Hi. You're looking at me. Hello. Underneath the
Oh, fisticuffs. Thanks, Kim. If you want to make a handbag, you'll come now. It's hiding in the sand.
Yeah, look at this one, look at this one. Wait up.
Oh, look at you holding stuff. Ow, thank you.
But I've just seen the iguana and it's huge.
Why is he called a green one then when he's orange? Especially if the mesh is like doubled.
Yeah.
Aww.
I don't know how much you can see, but they are very cute. You can hear them.
Yeah, no, I can see them. You can see them. Oh.
Here we have Bert and Ernie. Bert is rather large. Hi, buddy. I see you staring at me. It's quite disconcerting, really.
Oh, hi. You're leaning in to have a look at me. Such a lovely feeling.
Look at these fluffy feet. About to dive under. Rotus. Huggy. Hi. Hi, Huggy. Huggy.
Big snake.
Big snake?
Big snake.
Big
Another
snake.
boa.
Where's the big snake?
Back.
Good.
Corner there. This corner.
Huh?
This corner.
Oh. Oh, yeah. There's the head. Big boy. Aren't you pretty? Hey, buddy. We have Cherry. Cherry has attitude problems.
You don't know.
For sure, look at her. But here we have Stumpy. Look at his little nubbins. Oh. Hey, Stumpy. And we have somebody with no name in his bowl having a wash. Is it water? I can't tell. Oh, he's sitting in his food bowl. Hey, buddy.
Don't tip it. Oh, you want the back piece. Okay.
Parrot Sanctuary's been pretty cool so far. What do you think?
I like it. It's really nice.
There's an escape bunny. I don't know if we caught that on camera, but there was just a bunny sprinting in the background. Oh no, I think.
Do you want to just go get one of the keepers?
No, this has been a record day so far. Here. Bunny's wearing out. You guys wearing out? So you can also hold it like this. Yeah. Okay. I just for the kids to put it on there.
I think I came in at the right time, didn't I?
So we have a few seeds there if you want to go in. So I think they're full. We've already had 100 people through here today.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so but you're welcome to grab some seeds and try and see if they feed out of your hand.
The poppy would have been this big at one point.
This is going to be going to your mother for sure.
Boy, and in
Oh,
here I
yeah.
have a girl.
Hey guys. Gonna sit behind me.
Is that also brown here? That's there. Oh, there. That's a different one. That's there. Bear was hiding under the hay. You can take her in there too into the birds if you want.
Okay, yeah, my dear.
There's a few seeds you can put in your hand.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's what you do.
Look at them all.
Uno. Hello, Uno. Pepe. Huh? You're attempting to escape? Hey buddy, what's going on, Uno?
I haven't done any like updating stuff, so I need to do one just because we're like just quite sort of.
What? What? What's going on?
Try and put it so the lens is up. There you go.
What's going on? Ah.
They're adorable.
Ah. Kind of bookended our trip. Stay quiet.
Morning everybody, we are out here at Barker's National Park and it's rather windy because the sea is literally just there. Yeah, it's last full day here in Cayman, which is quite sad. Last night we went to Lloyd's Smokehouse and Grill and it was huge. The meal I had was very big and I had a dessert and I was very full afterwards, and you had a chili concoction, which is very nice.
Smoked brisket chili.
Yep.
We had some cornbread.
Yeah.
Some rice and beans with mine as well. It was really good.
Yeah. But today we're just sort of exploring bits that we haven't been to before. Yeah, so this is where James's stepdad Simon comes to kite surf, and as you can see it's very windy, so it does work. Yeah.
Random bit.
Yeah, we think we found a bit of plane on the beach.
Don't know if it's a boat or a plane.
It might be a boat, it might be a plane, we don't know, but
Quite smooth rivets up the side.
yeah, the way it's curved and stuff, we think it might be a bit of plane, but who knows? And there's a lot of sponge as well, so yeah, and I found a bit of coral.
The title of this vlog, we found MH370 question mark.
Quick stop off at Hell before we continue exploring. We popped back to the Turtle Centre just so I could pick up a couple of things from the gift shop that I was umming and ahhing about, and yeah, just for comparison from the last video, here's the sea now.
With this shirt I can turn my cover up.
Get closer, whether I just sort of spook it to move. So we got back from the Turtle Centre and chilled out in the pool for a bit. Now I'm trying to cut open a coconut. It's harder than it looks.
Some of it just hit my foot.
I'm not cutting into it.
There you go.
Hi.
Getting through it.
Yeah.
A little bit. Oh. Sorry.
Hello everybody, a bit of a late start to this portion of the vlog. This morning we went for Saturday swim club with Sophia the dog, so yeah, that was really fun. And it was just nice to go to the beach last time because today we're getting our flight in the evening. So yeah, we've been busy packing all of our stuff, but we're just gonna go down to the pool because we are both rather warm from just doing a couple of minor things like heading to Foster's, which is the local food shop, just to get some snacks for the plane and stuff. So yeah, heading down to the pool and then a bit more packing and then getting our flight home. And we are both sad to be leaving Cayman. Yeah.
It never gets any easier.
No. He's sad. Are you sad? Yeah, he's sad. I thought all most of the ferals have jumped up. There's another one in there with us. Looks like coffee.
Huh?
Looks like coffee.
There you guys. See when we zoom in. Beautiful. Oh. They just want to play. Oh god.
Right, if I put it here, who's gonna go first? Pete did. Oh!
Yeah, fisticuffs. Oh, you're okay. Hey. Let's do a tour. We have Scaredy Cat. We have another couple down here. Oh, hi.
I don't think this black cat should be in there, you know.
No, I don't think the black cat should be in there. That's what we got. These guys. Timbo and Fluff. No. Hey guys.
I'm watching.
Oh my god.
There's someone in here, so I'm happy.
We got a grey going to the loo.
Scared. So you're
A
that
tabby.
one's
And this is Yoda, Astro, and
oh.
LaRoot. Maybe.
Come on out. Come on out. No.
Absolutely gorgeous. You are gorgeous. Oh. No. Yeah, no, don't hit me. Thank you. A very loud Pete who just wants to play.
Made it back to our flats, and we are exhausted, so I'm gonna sort myself out, unpack all my stuff and have a shower, then I'll be back with you to explain what sort of happened today, because it's probably been quite hectic for you to watch the just clips of us flying about. So we are back in Plymouth and exhausted. Our flight, so Saturday the 5th of March, we got up at 5 a.m. And our flight was at pretty much 7 p.m. Cayman time. And that was just sort of to try and make sure that we'd get some sleep on the plane. However, I did not. It was a very, very uncomfortable plane journey. It was, for some reason, just incredibly warm. Even though the air conditioning would have been on, it just could not feel it. And we had some issues with some rude people on the plane as well. And it just was 11 hours of pure and just being uncomfortable. We landed at Heathrow about 10:15 UK time on Sunday the 6th of March, so it's like an overnight plane across the world. And yeah, when we looked at the National Express coaches to come back down to Plymouth, they were all sold out until about 4 p.m, so we actually decided just to get the train from Paddington home, which we did. It was pretty full, but we managed to get seats together and put our suitcases in the little rack and everything. So we got home, well, got to the train station about 4 p.m. and then like got to our flats about 5 minutes later. So yeah, I have obviously, you know, I'm showered now and everything. I'm just sitting in my pajamas, trying to keep myself awake before going to bed, probably about 9 p.m. It's currently about sort of 6 now. Starting to get a bit dark outside, so yeah, not that you can see on the camera because it looks just white. So yeah, that's gonna finish off all the travel vlogs, and I really miss Cayman. It was just an amazing time. I loved it. And it is bloody cold here now. I got actually used to the heat, and I don't normally like the heat, but I got used to the heat. And yeah, it's cold here, so yeah, we've got a lot to do on Monday, so I'm gonna try and chill out and then probably pass out. Good night, everyone.